All right, Ben, can you tell him to sit still again? Tell him to sit still.
Sit still.
Good. Is he going to sit still? Oh, he's not sitting still. You need to say please, okay? Say please to him, Ben, and then maybe he'll sit still.
Sit. Sit. Still. Please.
Okay, now
Please.
if he
Please.
says please, you have to make him sit still, like Simon says.
Please.
Look, he's sitting still now. The please worked, didn't it, Ben? Yes.
Please.
Please is the magic word, isn't it?
Want.
Oh,
Eat. Want. Winnie the Pooh.
you want Winnie the Pooh? Okay, Jonathan, will you go get Winnie the Pooh for us now, please? He's in the box over there. You found him. Woo! There he went, flying through the air. Can you get him for us? Ben can't grab him too good, Jonathan. I'm trying to video this, so bring him all the way. Oh, you're going to throw him again. There's Winnie the Pooh. Now, can you say thank you, Ben? Tell Jama thank you. Thank you. Look, good. Now, Jonathan, can you sign your welcome?
You're welcome.
Can you remember how to sign it?
No.
Okay. There's Winnie the Pooh. Yay! Let's see. Let's let you talk to Winnie the Pooh some, okay? Here, let me set it up where you can talk to him. Here. Now.
Until my cake came out.
I see. It did come off.
I want to watch TV.
That's not what I meant to put on there. Let's try it again. There now. Now, can you tell him hi?
Hi. Hi.
You told Winnie the Pooh hi. Ask him, how are you? Winnie the Pooh says, hi, Benjamin. How are you? You're signing, you're fine. Good. Can you push the button that says I'm fine?
I'm not so good.
Oh, you're not so good, Benjamin? Is that right?
I'm fine.
Oh, good.
How are you?
Well, I'm fine too. Thank you. Thank you very much. It's very nice to see you today. It's very nice to see you today. I guess I better be going. Guess it's time for me to go, okay? Take care of yourself.
Goodbye. Take care of yourself.
Goodbye. Now he's gone away. Help? You need, what do you want him to tell him?
Andrew, how are you? Come. Come.
Come.
Come.
That's right. Now push the other button. Come back.
Andrew.
Oh.
Want. Winnie the Pooh.
You want Winnie the Pooh? All right.
How are you?
Can you make it?
Come, Andrew, want Winnie the Pooh. Go. Go. Go.
Are you trying to say come back, Ben?
Go. Go.
I'm trying to say, let me help you, okay?
Go.
Here's come. You see the dog? See the dog right there? That's come.
Come.
Now you can find.
Back.
Okay. Here come Winnie the Pooh comes back. Yay! Hi, Benjamin. Hi, Benjamin. It's nice to see you again. Okay, what, you want him to go away again? You want me to hold him? You want him to go? Go. Okay, all right, he's going to go away now. Bye-bye. There he's gone away now. Now, what do you want?
Want. Sit. Come. Goodbye.
Uh-oh. Try again. Say come.
Come. Back.
Okay, here he comes back. Here comes Winnie the Pooh back. Hi, Benjamin. How are you today? How are you today?
Sleep.
Are you ready to go to sleep? I am. Let's go to sleep now, okay? Let's take a nap together, okay? Do you want to take a nap with Winnie the Pooh, Ben? Okay. There you go. He's taking a nap now. See, he's laying on his pillow. He's laying on his pillow. He's going to go to sleep. That's right. You're going to go to sleep too. All right. Time to wake up. Time to wake up. Tell him hi. Tell Winnie the Pooh hi. That'll make him wake up, okay? Oh, all done? Okay. Bye-bye.